Question number 7, part A, show that the equation tan cube x plus 2 tan 2x minus tan x equal to 0 may be expressed as tan to the 4x minus 2 tan square x minus 3 is equal to 0 for tan x is not equal to 0. Part B, hence solve the equation tan cube 2 theta plus 2 tan 4 theta minus tan 2 theta is equal to 0 for 0 less than theta less than pi. Give your answers in exact form. So now we are going to go and express this in the form that was required. So what we have is then tan cube x plus 2 tan of 2x. You can use the formula from trigonometry, and you've got 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x, and all of that multiplied by 2 minus tan of x is equal to 0. Now from here, what we can do, we can multiply both sides by, okay, so we're going to multiply this by 1 minus tan square x. This is the left-hand side, the right-hand side rather, and then the left-hand side should also be multiplied by 1 minus tan square x. And if we were to do this, you will have then 1 times tan cube of x is, okay, so let's do it like, okay, 1 minus tan square x, okay, into tan of cube x, okay, and then plus 2 times 1 minus tan square x, okay, into 2 tan x, and all of that divided by 1 minus tan square x, okay, minus tan of x into 1 minus tan square x, and all of that should be equal to 0 times all of that is definitely 0. And now from here, if you were to multiply this, you'll get tan cube x, okay, minus tan to the 5x, okay, plus, and this can cross out with this, so 2 times 2 is 4, so plus 4 tan of x, okay, minus tan of x times 1 is tan of x, okay, so minus tan of x, minus times minus becomes plus. We have then tan cube of x equal to 0. So now we got to simplify this. Tan cube x, you add them up, you get 2 tan cube x. Okay, so minus then the tan to the 5x, 4 tan x minus tan x is plus 3 tan of x is equal to 0. So we can divide by tan everywhere, and so if we do so, okay, divide, by tan of x, okay, on both sides. So let's do that. So then you're going to get 2 tan square x, okay, minus tan to the 4x, and then plus 3 is equal to 0. So now we can multiply by minus 1 on both sides. So multiply this by minus 1 and multiply the left-hand side by negative 1. And so then it comes to tan to the 4x, okay, minus 2 tan square x, okay, minus 3 is equal to 0. And that has been shown. So here we are for part A of the question. Now part B of the question, we need to solve this equation. So this equation is identical to the first part A. So we can rewrite this equation as tan to the 4 2 theta minus 2 tan square theta. 2 theta here, and then minus 3 is equal to 0. So now if we were to solve this, okay, what we can do, we can let tan square 2 theta is equal to a. So this is basically tan square 2 theta and all of that to the square minus 2 tan square 2 theta minus 3 is equal to 0. So basically now what we have is a square minus 2a minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So we can solve for a. We got minus 3, all right, and minus 2 here. So that's going to be plus, all right. So then a is equal to minus 1, is equal to 3. Now from here we know that tan square 2 theta is equal to A, that's minus 1. So this one is rejected because we can't have the square root of, it's a complex root. So and over here I've got tan square 2 theta is equal to 3. So what we have is then tan 2 theta is equal to plus or minus a root of 3, and 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of plus or minus a root of 3. So how do we deal with this? And so here we are. Let's take our ruler here and just draw something. So I'll have the positive angle first. So that's here. And the next time I've got tan positive in this quadrant. This is now 2 theta is equal to, what is tan of plus or minus root of 3? It is pi upon 3. Okay, so we got then pi upon 3 here and pi upon 3 over here for theta, and for tan rather. So we need to add on to pi to get to this angle here. So this is all the angle here. Right, so basically what we have then is pi over 3 plus pi. So pi over 3 plus pi. So then I have theta is equal to pi over 3 divided by 2 is pi upon, so divide by 2, I got pi upon 6. Then pi over 3 plus pi is 4/3 pi divided by 2 is 2/3 pi. So that's these are the solutions, okay? And now we're going to look for the negative one. Okay, so let's take a look at the negative square root of 3. So the way I would do this is, let's take this over here, see where we can go. So we're talking about a negative angle here, right? And okay, so this is where I've got my pi over 3 now. That's going down, that's negative. And so I got a pi over 3 over here. So then this whole thing is pi, so pi minus pi over 3. So theta is equal to, I would say 2 theta is equal to pi minus pi over 3. The next angle is here, so I'm going to take this one and come all the way here, so that's 2 pi. So then I got 2 pi minus the pi over 3. And if I were to do so, I'm going to get then 2 theta is equal to 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi. So I got 2 pi over 3. Then 2 pi times 3 is 6. 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi. I got 5 pi over 3. And if I were to divide both of these by 2 on both sides, I'm going to get theta is equal to 2/3 pi divided by 2 is 1/3 pi, which is pi over 3. And then 5 over 3 times pi divided by 2 is 5 over 6 pi. Now, when we look at these angles, we see that all of them, they are within the required range, which is 0 less than theta less than pi. So here we are. That's the second part to question 7. Part B of question 7. Take care.